Yo, what is up, guys? It's 50 here, and today I'm gonna be explaining the story how I greened out and was put in a goddamn 2-day coma from edibles. So, me, a year into smoking, asked my brother if I could try some edibles, thinking nothing about it. Now, this man is known for, if you first try edibles, he's gonna fucking absolutely kill you within a mouth. If you try dabs, he's gonna fucking kill you with that. So he gave me these apple edibles. He told me it was 100 milligrams that I was going to take. So I thought that was the right amount for me. A year into smoking, I had a high tolerance at this point. But no. I didn't realize he gave me fucking 400 milligrams. So I set a timer. I set on my couch. The timer is set for 30 minutes. So, about 20 minutes in, I'm just chilling on my couch, and I tell you what, this shit kicks in. So I'm like, damn, bro, this don't feel like no fucking 100 milligrams. So I get my fucking happy high ass up, and I walk over there all slouched, eyes are fucking bloodshot at this point, and I read the package, and I'm like, this motherfucker lied to me. And so I was too fucking, high as shit to even pronounce words at this point. And I go lay down in my room, and it's the 28th, and I shit you not, I woke up on the goddamn 30th. That man's put me in a goddamn fucking coma. So I woke up not realizing what day it was. I thought it was the fucking next day. And I'm still fucking higher in balls. I felt like shit. I wanted to throw up. I was fucking still slouched, fucking dragging my crusty ass socks I had on. And so I fixed me a bowl of cereal, and I grab my phone, get on my computer to edit a montage, and I see that it's the fucking 30th, and I was fucking shitting bricks. I was like, what the fuck? No way, bro. I could have died in those 2 days that I was fucking zooted. So I go confront this man. He was like, so, how you feeling? I was like, I feel like fucking shit, dude. You gave me way too much. He was like, yeah, I know. You asked for edibles, I gave you edibles. And so I was pretty fucking pissed off at this point. I was mad, so I go back in my room, slam my door, go back to editing this fucking video. And I was just not having it that day. I didn't fucking eat. I stayed in my room the whole time, watching YouTube, playing Fortnite, all that shit. You know the basic shit. But, well, that's the end of that story. And there's still more fucking stories of me getting high. And the next story I'm gonna tell, it's a scary story of me getting high. And it's just a short explanatory of me fucking getting high, walking out around, and creepy shit was fucking happening. So, that's it for this video, y'all. Hope y'all like this video, personally. I know these videos are shit, I just don't give a fuck at this point. I need to start posting for my channel. But hope y'all like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.